Hi, good day. This is my video for the bottle sterilization. The first is assemble the bottle, like the cap, nipple, rings, and bottle. And this one, cap, nipple, rings, and bottle. And then open the water. Then, as long as you're soft, ay dapat yung pang bottle sa baby. Then, clean the bottle. The inside of the bottle must be properly clean. And this one, bottle. Clean the inside. Make sure properly. Then rings. Make sure or should remove the milk recipe. Then rings. Clean inside. Or remove the milk recipe. Then nipple. Clean. Side to side. Then squeeze. Pwede siyang balik na rin. Then yung inside. Then nipple. Then properly. Then tap. Then tongue. After clean all the parts of bottle, wash all the parts of bottle, then open water. Then after wash the bottle, throw away the water. And after clean the bottle, next you will sterilize. Open, but not water. Place the bottle properly. Then cap, rings, except nipple. And tongue. Then put the water almost full, like this. Then cover, sterilize. Plug, turn on. Then checks on. The time is always 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, check. Still come out. Then put the nipple, cover. Then another 5 minutes. Then check. Still come out. Then check the temperature pump. Then turn off or di matalsikan ng mainit na tubig. Then, cover. Put in a clean place. Open the sterilize. Place the butter on the towel clean. This one butter. Cap. Then rings. Nipple. Dry all the parts of butter. Then wash your hand. After wash your hand, assemble the parts of butter, nipple and rings. And one more nipple and rings. And cap. After, check the milk the baby. The expiration and duration. Then butter. Put the water and milk. Hi, good day. These burping techniques. The first is don't forget to put towel on the shoulder like this. Then put the baby over your shoulder properly. Then after put the baby in shoulder, your hand put behind the baby and carries kaplusing. Second techniques, put the towel legs properly. Then the baby will be placed on your lap or legs. Then hold the baby well and the other head carries on the baby back like this. Kaplusin ng maayos because it's very important the baby. If baby is crying, try standing, rocking or talking your baby to stop baby from crying. After all, the baby feel good. Hi, good day. This is my video for formula feeding. The first is clean the all parts of bottle sterilized like bottle, cap, teeth. The first clean is bottle. I need to clean all inside. Then clean the cap. After clean the cap, clean the teeth. Clean the whole inside. After clean, wash all parts of bottle sterilized. After wash, dry all the parts of bottle sterilized. Then after wash the bottle sterilized, wash your hands. Then after clean the bottle sterilized, I will take the takore, lagyan ng plain water. After in the water, I heat the water in 35 minutes. Make sure the temperature at least 70 degrees. Then finish the hot water. I take the takore. Then I apply to warm water to the bottle sterilized. Make sure it's complete. Then add to 2 cups of milk. Then tits. Then shake in butter side to side. After shake, you need to cool the formula so it's right the temperature to drink. Then make sure have to lid on to check temperature of milk. Then make sure I should feel lukewarm the milk, the milk. And after check the temperature, I'm feeding the baby. Then after finish formula, I'm feeding the babies. Like this. The baby is happy. Then after feeding the baby is sleeping well, feeling good and comfortable.